Let's hang a print together. You're going to need a screwdriver, a hammer, a tape measure, as well as a pin to mark on the wall. Let's get started. First, let's take a look at the contents that we provide in your bag. We have your screws and your fasteners, your T-wrench, as well as your cloth to clean your print. First, let's take one of the plates and screw it in directly to the wall. Make sure this is in a stud so it is secure. You'll want to take your print, look at the first channel, and set this directly on the plate and make sure that your print is secure. Find the bottom of your print and go to the middle. Make a mark directly on the wall where your print meets. From there, you want to measure how wide your channel is on the back of your print. For me, right here, it's about 1/4 inch. Measure 1/4 inch up from the mark that you made on the wall. Begin drilling a hole directly into the wall so that you can hammer your fastener in. Once complete, start the screw with your hand and end with the T-wrench. Make sure the screw ends horizontal. Hang your print on the wall, making sure that the plate and the bottom screw go into the channels on the back of your print. Take your T-wrench, tighten the bottom screw to secure your print. Wipe off all your fingerprints, and now you are good to go.